Ni hao everyone. Part 2, speaking practice. So task 1 is say the countries in Chinese. Task 2, say one sentence about each country. Here's the world map, and here are where I'm going to speak. 美国, America, or USA. This is where the USA was formed in. 英国, England, or Great Britain in the borders of the UK. 法国, France, where I went to, right here. It's very small so you can't see. 新加坡, Spain, a place where the sale of. 意大利国, Italy, pizza. 中国, China, get protected by the wall. 日本国, Japan, where you can play in the snow and have lots of fun in the hotels. Hanwoo, Korea, a place where you have to win games. Singapore, Singapore, a place where to go to. I'm in Universal Studios and the zoo. Adolia, Australia, sail on an outside house beyond Oceania's biggest country, Australia or Australasia. 美国人说美国语 Americans speak American. 英国人说英国语 British speaks British. 法国人说法语 France speak France. 西班牙国人说西班牙语 also known as Spanish speak Spanish. 意大利国人说意大利语 Italian speaks Italian. 中国人说中文 Chinese speaks Chinese. 日本人说日语 Japan speaks Japan. 韩国人说韩语 Korea speaks Korean. 新加坡人说新加坡语 Singaporean speaks Singaporean. Lastly, Adolea. Adolea ren说 Adolea 语 Australian speaks Australian. 老师